So you love makeup.
कि बॉबी मेरा लाइनर लगा दे, तू मेरा आई शैडो कर दे, यू डू इट नाइसली. सो एनुअल डेज हो, कुछ भी कंपटीशन हो, सबके अंदर आई एम डूइंग एवरीवन्स हेयर, आई एम डूइंग देयर मेकअप. सो आई वुड नॉट recommend using this at daytime. I would only suggest is using at night when you're sleeping. Wash your face nicely. The master class चल रही है, बस चल रही है. उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है?
And everyone talks about how to put makeup, how to remove it.
Keep one small pack in your bag or in your car probably. You know कि हाँ यहाँ से कहीं नहीं जाएगा, तो जैसे ही गाड़ी में बैठे and start. So उस टाइम पे बस यही होता था that I was too young and people were not taking me seriously. ये तूने कर लिया मेकअप? मैंने कहा I am a makeup artist. What do you expect out of it? कहते नहीं, हमने नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि इतना अच्छा कर लेगी.
आजकल बहुत सारी रील्स चल रही हैं जहाँ पर लोग बोलते हैं कि नो मेकअप लुक चाहिए, लगना नहीं चाहिए कि मेकअप लगा हुआ है.
Torture for a makeup artist. Trust me, believe you me, because there is no look like no makeup look.
Hello everyone, today we have one of the most loved makeup artists with us, Miss Bobby Chopra. Hi Bobby, welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
Tell something about yourself, about your journey. How have you decided to be a makeup artist?
Okay, so makeup artists didn't happen just like that and overnight. So I think we can start from when I was in school. So at my school time, I used to do everyone's makeup. Like everybody would come to me कि बॉबी मेरा लाइनर लगा दे, तू मेरा आई शैडो कर दे, you do it nicely. So annual days हो, कुछ भी competition हो, सबके अंदर I'm doing everyone's hair, I'm doing their makeup. So it started from there. But I didn't know that I wanted to do this as a professional. So I think after that I joined event management company. I used to work there. I like managing stuff and like working with beauty brands and stuff. So we were handling L'Oreal and Maybelline that time. So from there, once I just got up one day and I told my mom, I was like, मम्मी मुझे ना अपने लिए कुछ करना है, मेरे को ना ये सुबह 9 to 5 मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So she was like, okay, whatever you want to do, because मैं सुनना तो अपनी है, मैंने सुनती किसी की नहीं हूँ. So that time then I contacted one of my friends. You can say friend because I met her at one of my shoots earlier. I used to do like chota mota shoots that time. So I met that makeup artist and I asked if she can train me. So she trained me like for good 4 sessions. And then after that, it's all like practice, and here I am today.
So you love makeup, you're passionate about it.
Yes, you can say, but you will never see too much makeup on myself, because for myself, I like it very minimalistic. You will never see me too much heavy lashes or something very, red lips or something. I'm always like on the nude side.
Like more of the highlighters on
Yeah, I just like nice glossy and that stuff. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
So what are the basic skincare routine? I think this is the most important thing.
Absolutely. I think skincare is number 1 priority. Then comes makeup for me, because if your skin is nice, your skin is breathable, it's happy, it will show. And if your skin is not breathable, it's not happy, it will show. So I think we like it the happier way. And to begin with, I think there's so many products in the market in today's time. Everybody is like marketing, I am best. But I think just being simple is the key. Like if you ask me, to be very honest, I do not use like too many products. I just use one coconut oil. And yes, coconut oil at night. Like I have oily skin, so people have this myth as well that whether people who have oily skin should go ahead with the oil drops at night or not. You can definitely go ahead with oil drops. Obviously not too much, just 2 drops of oil at night, maybe probably near your under eye area and your lips, depending what your problem is. If you have dark circles, if you have darker lips, go ahead with the almond drops. And if you have dry skin or chapped skin and it's not glowy, go ahead with coconut drops.
Because usually we think that if we have a oily skin, then we should not use coconut oil or almond oil.
No, but at night the main regime is when you sleep. So I would not recommend using this at daytime. I would only suggest is using at night when you're sleeping. Wash your face nicely. If you want a nice little scrub on your face, don't be too harsh, very little scrub on your face, and then just apply that and sleep.
I think it's a very good tip, because end of the day we spend so much on such expensive creams, and I think coconut oil and almond oil is readily available
everywhere, and not too much. Just be like very gentle with it. And I mean, there are so many expensive brands in the market. I've used it myself, and trust me, my skin is so sensitive. I don't know about others, but if you have a skin like me जिसने मतलब हल्का सा vitamin C हल्का सा लगा लिया ना, you'll get इतना बड़ा pimple next morning. So I stopped it. I've used like everything from L'Occitane to Clinique. Nothing suited my skin. So then finally I reached one point where I knew कि हाँ इससे बेहतर कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
So what's your take on all these acids, the hyaluronic acid and what's the
I think glycolic and all these acids and serums, specifically vitamin C and other, these are specifically for people who have very normal skin, not combination, not sensitive, not acne prone skin.
Okay.
Definitely
As per
not
I
for.
thought glycolic is used as a retinol peeling.
Retinol is one of the harshest chemicals. If one can use it, it's very good. If it suits you, nothing like it. But if it's not suiting you, I'm really sorry, but please do not even try for the second time, because this retinol basically starts with peeling off your skin. So I tried retinol also. I tried when I was 20, I guess, because that time, right now I'm 38. So I have tried retinol when I was 20 because I was like all fascinated with all these products. मैं पढ़ती रहती थी और मैं कहीं ना कहीं से कोई जा रहा है मैं मंगा लेती थी because retinol उस टाइम पे मिलता
It's
नहीं था
very
यहाँ पे.
fascinating for everyone. When you
Yeah.
start watching the reels and the
Yes,
video,
yes.
you end up buying
Buying
lot
one
of
or the other product.
Yeah,
यार ये तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, ये ले लेते हैं. And when it, the actual thing happens on you, shit यार, मम्मी आप यूज कर ले रहे हैं, सिस्टर तू यूज कर लेना.
उसको फेंकना ही पड़ता है. You have
फेंकना
no
ही
other
पड़ता है.
option. You can't harm your skin.
Absolutely. But I think when you're in your early 20s and stuff, ना, you want to use stuff. And सबसे ज्यादा आप देखोगे एक्ने जितनी भी लड़कियों को है वो आपकी 20 to 27 एज ग्रुप में ही है, बिकॉज दैट टाइम यू यूजिंग सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आपको ना नेचुरली हार्मोन से आपको एक्ने होता है, आपको एक्टिव एक्ने होता है. सो मेरे को मिथ क्या मिलती थी कि ज्यादा मैंगो मत खाना एक्ने हो जाएगा, बिकॉज मेरे बहुत एक्ने होते थे all over my T-zone, my nose and everywhere. And I used to be like, यार मैं क्या करूँ, मोमोज खाने बंद कर दूँ, क्या खाना बंद करूँ. And I literally tried all this for like good 6 months. कुछ ही नहीं हुआ. मैंने कहा ये खाने की वजह से नहीं हुआ.
It's only because of the hormones.
Yes, this is your hormones because you're going through that stage now. But you can't do anything. At that time, it is only that drink lots and lots of water. That's it. And just be clean. That's it. You can't help your acne. Nobody can help your acne at that
But then how
age.
about like we are talked about we should do CTM in the morning, CTM at the night.
Yes, CTMs in the morning and at night are important, especially at this, at this age group and today's time where we are living in Delhi and there's too much pollution and so much of sunlight. People get out of their house without any sunblock. In fact, even if you're not stepping out, you get up in the morning, you take your shower, you wash your face, you put sunscreen.
Can you tell
That's
one
important.
good sunscreen which does not make us look white? I think it's very important.
Yes. So, if I talk about the most lightest form I have tried so far is Blossom Coach's spray that has 30 plus and 50 plus SPF, which is really nice. It's so lightweight, you don't feel sticky, and it's like you can carry it wherever you are going, and just a nice 4-5 spray on your face and you're good.
I think these days there are more sprays which you can do it on your makeup also.
I use it on my makeup too.
Okay,
It gives you that nice glow.
They
It gives you
talk
that
about
nice
if you want
hydrated
juices,
glow.
I would rather
Yes,
frame it as-
yes, yeah.
On the makeup.
Yes, absolutely. Like just hide your eyes if you're wearing too much of glitter or something. Hide your eyes and just spray it all over your face. It will give you that nice hydrating glow.
Okay. I think it's a very nice tip.
Yes.
Everyone wants to know. So can you tell us some of the good foundations or the way to apply the foundations, because everyone needs the flawless base.
Absolutely. So see, when it comes to flawless base, as I said earlier, your skin needs to be treated really well. So first, if you take care of your skin, any foundation, believe you me, any foundation will work nicely on you and it will give you that nice glow which you see on Instagram and on YouTube. So when you start with your skin prep, so if you have open pores, you can use a pore filler, which pore filler, it says it all. Like when you apply the foundation, you see small dots near your nose and near your chin area. So those are your open pores which you don't close, and from there when you apply your makeup and then you get all the dust in, you get acne, you get active acne and rashes sometimes. So you need to close them first, and for that one of the best products which I like so far is this is from PAC.
It's a primer.
Yeah, it's a primer. It's known as a separation primer. and there are a lot of other, you know, primers available in the market, but this is one of the budget friendly ones, I would say. So it has like a nice pot of how many grams? It is 35 grams, and it is just for, I think, 1,000 rupees right now. And if you see other brands in the market like Benefit and there are so many, Smashbox.
This would last for how long?
That really depends on if you're wearing it on daily basis. Even if you're not wearing makeup, you can just wear this with your cream at the daytime, like with your sunblock, and you're good to go. Because closing those pores are very important. From, you know, that is the starting triggering point for your skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
So someone who has open pores should actually use this.
Yes, absolutely. You see, there are so many people who have like really वो छोटा-छोटा सा ऐसे spots सा गड्ढा type होता है उनकी cheeks पे. Those are the worst stage of open pores. So if you don't take care of your pores, you will reach there.
And how to choose the right shade, because we end up buying a lot of wrong shades for our skin which make us look darker or maybe lighter to our
very
natural.
brighter. To be very honest, I've seen girls literally white. Matlab, their face is so white and their neck is like absolutely different. So it's not, so makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty. That's what I feel. But I think there are more people who are not very confident or not very happy with their skin tone. So they want like a slightly lighter shade. So what you need to do, even if you want a lighter shade, you need to actually mix two different shades. One is 2 shades darker and one is 2 shades lighter. Yes. So for that fairer look. So what you need to do, you can try a like straight line from your face, from your cheek to your till your neck, because we want to match this. We don't want to, like, you know, be like sky and land here. So you want to take a straight swipe here. Check for like 2 minutes or so, because you can't just decide your foundation shade in just one go in like a minute or so, because it oxidizes. So you want to keep it for there, and you just smudge it a little with your finger, let it settle, and then see whether it's giving with that whitey or chalk kind of look, or if it's melting down into your skin. That is the best shade for you. So what you want to do is, the melt in your skin shade will go all over your face till your neck. And then comes the brighter shade, which will only go in the center of your eyes. That's it. That's the trick. But what people do, they put that white foundation all over their face. So that is wrong.
Now I'm understanding. When we actually land up to any of the beauty store to buy any foundation, they actually say, "Yahan laga lo," but they never say wait for it to get diluted in your skin.
Yes.
I think you should have that knowledge, because they will, I don't know.
They are selling, they are doing what they want to do. They are selling you products, and even if you know, lack of knowledge is what rest of us have right now. Like lack of knowledge is really
And you land up buying so many, and then you say, "Achha, ye bhi skin tone nahi hai,
ये भी skin tone है." When you come back home, वो different lighting होती है. When you're at the store, there's different lighting, and when you come back home, it's very different lighting. So you'll be like, यार ये तो और dark लग रहा है, या फिर ये और ज़्यादा white लग रहा है. So you can always mix that. If you have a darker shade, if you have a lighter shade, no worries. You can always mix them and use it according to your skin type.
But it should never be tested on your arm.
Not really. We don't need it on our arms. No. Not at all required. No.
So do you have any incident or maybe a funny story जहाँ पर कोई आया हो आपके पास client और बोला कि मेरे को बहुत गोरा लगना है?
Oh yes.
look fairer.
Yes. This hasn't happened like too much, but yes, this has happened like 3 to 4 times with me. And whenever I'm starting my makeup, I always ask my client, what do you like? Do you like glitter? Do you like red lips or nude lips? So some 80% they say whatever you like, you do. Because I like the way you do your makeup, I've seen. Okay. And then there are 20% people, you're like, मेरे को ना lashes बड़ी वाली चाहिए, मेरे को ना lenses blue color के लगा देना, and I want red lips, and I want एकदम fair tone कर देना, मेरा 2 level ऊपर fair चाहिए. Okay, I understand. That's my client, and she wants something, and I have to deliver. So then accordingly, I do this trick. I use the whole face with her normal skin complexion, and then where I want to highlight her, I'll highlight it only there.
So that she's also happy?
Yes, and even I am happy that I haven't made her very chitta, but she is happy. When you look into the mirror, you see nice highlighted under eye, nice highlighted your the T-zone. That is it for your highlight.
So what's your take on आजकल बहुत सारी रील्स चल रही हैं जहाँ पर लोग बोलते हैं कि नो मेकअप लुक चाहिए, लगना नहीं चाहिए कि मेकअप लगा हुआ है. And the makeup artist is thinking
that is one torture for a makeup artist. Trust me, believe you me, because there is no look like no makeup look. आप makeup लगा रहे हो तो makeup तो दिखेगा ना, आप उसमें क्या कर सकते हो. No makeup look ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये हो सकती है that you know you're not wearing any eyeshadow, you're just wearing nice mascara or probably very small false lashes, and you're doing a nice gloss lip and like a very soft blush. But yes, this is all makeup. It will show. And you know, if you ask me, I have gone through such clients जिन्होंने पहली बार मेकअप कराया है, वो मेरे से पहली बार मेकअप करा रहे हैं, लाइफ में पहली बार मेकअप है, and I've done like the lightest form of makeup, lightest, and then she'll be like ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज आपने कभी किया ही नहीं मेकअप, तो आपको वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगेगा. एंड देन आई यूज टू सिट देयर फॉर लाइक 1 hour कि लेट दिस सेटल इनटू योर स्किन. आई एम हियर, इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट यू गो वॉश योर फेस, आई विल डू इट अगेन, but I'm here for you. I'm sitting here with you for 1 hour. I used to sit there, make her relax, comfortable. और 1 घंटे में वो मेकअप सेटल होता था. Then everybody, oh you're looking so lovely. Mom is coming, भैया भाभी, everybody is coming. Oh you're looking lovely. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Then I used to be like, thank you. Now I'm leaving. So this
I
has
think
happened.
it's a makeup artist is a very underrated job because लोगों को क्या लगता
It
है
is
बस
not
मेकअप कर दे.
easy.
No, it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not
मतलब you
easy.
have so much responsibility when you are
Yes.
dressing up a bride.
Yes.
Everyone is coming and judging you.
Yes.
ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा
Yeah.
नहीं है. And they don't say, see how many hours you were standing and what back pain and whatever.
It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of effort, especially you know when if someone is booking me, they like what I do. So out of 100, if I like a lot of good blush, so if I'm doing that same blush on you, and after that if you see you don't like it, that's a responsibility that I have to take care of. That she likes what I do. So I can't really put 100% of what I like on her. I have to listen to what my clients is saying and then do according, come on the same page and understand, okay, she doesn't like this, doesn't like that, so we have to do it like that. So it is a very big responsibility. आजकल जो हर गली नुक्कड़ में 10-10 मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं, they don't even know how to apply a single one liner. They are makeup artists and they are doing God knows what.
So true.
But that's why I'm saying it's a very underrated job.
Yes, for people who really genuinely have that knowledge, like I have 15 to 16 years of experience in today's time, and when actually someone comes and tells me, I would not name the big makeup artists. So one went for her bridal, and the other one was booked by me. So I did her reception, and she got her bridal done from someone. उसका husband साथ आया था reception को drop करने में studio. So he was like कि इनको ऐसे से मत कर देना, वैसे से मत कर देना, बिकॉज वो बैड एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका था वो ब्राइडल का. एंड जो इंस्टाग्राम पे था वो एडिट होता है, फिल्टर होता है, जो भी होता है, लिटिल बिट ऑफ एडिटिंग आई अंडरस्टैंड, इवन आई डू लिटिल बिट बट नॉट टू मच. सो एंड देन व्हेन शी गॉट रेडी एंड ही केम टू पिक हर अप, ही वाज लाइक दिस इज वॉट आई वॉन्टेड, नाइस एंड ब्यूटीफुल एंड ब्रीदेबल. की ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि मैं साथ खड़ा हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है कि ये इतना वाइट वाइट क्या हो गया इसके फेस के ऊपर. लिटरली ही वाज लाइक दैट. एंड स्टिल टुडेज टाइम शी इज माई क्लाइंट, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हर हस्बैंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक शी इज माई क्लाइंट, बिकॉज उसके हस्बैंड ने बोला यहीं से कराएगी और कहीं से नहीं कराएगी.
Because of the bad experience, I think आप trust भी नहीं कर पाते.
नहीं कर पाते हो. Yes, this is very regular with me. Trust me, this is very regular with me that people come and they tell me, please ना white white मत कर देना, वैसा मत कर देना,
As
वैसा
far
मत
we
कर
can
देना.
remember, even we were the same at our time of wedding.
Yeah.
We also said it very
Right.
clear. We don't want to look so cakey,
Yes,
so
yes, yes.
too much on the face.
Yes,
heavy.
yes,
In
yes.
fact, every time now also when I
Yeah.
meet a new makeup artist, I'm getting my makeup done, मैं यही बोलती हूँ, white white मत कर देना, कम
Yes.
करना.
Yes.
मतलब we don't like also saying all that, but
Yes.
you never know कि सामने वाला
Yeah,
क्या
I mean, I understand that, when we were just starting off with our makeup and एकदम से client बोलते कि ऐसे मत कर देना, वैसे, so it kind of loosens our confidence as well. But then knowing that what they have gone through and what we need to show them in makeup, कि ये मेकअप ऐसा नहीं होता, सिर्फ ऐसा भी होता है. नेचुरल ब्यूटी एनहांस करना इज व्हाट आई लाइक एंड व्हाट आई थिंक माय क्लाइंट्स आल्सो इज ट्राइंग टू टेल मी. सो बीइंग ऑन द सेम पेज इज वेरी
Yeah,
इंपॉर्टेंट.
you have to match the frequency first before starting.
Yes,
the makeup.
always ask your client what you like. Do you like lashes or you don't like lashes? There are so many they don't wear lenses. So I have, I talk it out with them for half an hour कि आप lenses पहनो, अच्छा लगेगा, this and that, because they've seen those वाइल्ड कैट लेंसेज ना ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, वो एकदम ग्रीन वाले, एकदम वाइट वाले. कहती नहीं मुझे भूत नहीं बनना. मैंने कहा भूत बनोगे हम निकाल देंगे, सिंपल.
I think in our times makeup trials भी नहीं होते थे. मतलब I don't remember when I got married कि मैं makeup trial के लिए गई हूँ. But now these days I think they are makeup trial
yeah,
before
they do a dummy look on you
Yeah.
first. Just
Yes.
on the eyes, they'll play with you. They'll show you with the
Yeah, very light version. Sometimes trials टच वुड अभी तक मेरे साथ ट्रायल्स बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होते बिकॉज पीपल हु कम दे कम फ्रॉम वर्ड ऑफ माउथ ओनली, yes references to us, but yes जब ट्रायल्स होते हैं those are paid trials, so we give them a very nice glossy touch because basically उनके माइंड में क्या होता है, फाउंडेशन कैसा लग रहा है, ये वाइट वाइट तो नहीं कर देगी, so that is the main gamer because पूरे फेस में सबसे ज़्यादा आपका क्या दिखता है, फाउंडेशन. Then comes your eyes, your lips and your everything. So foundation check करने के लिए आपका trial base होता है. I completely understand that and we respect our clients for that. And those are chargeable. People who think कि chargeable होना चाहिए कि नहीं, because काफ़ी जो new beginner students है वो हमसे पूछते हैं, chat पे मेरे पास आते कभी कभी कि हमने ना यहाँ से कोर्स करा है, वहाँ से कोर्स करा है, मैम आपके अंडर हम काम कर लें. This is also a very big thing right now. That there are so many people who are teaching you, like on everyday basis you have a new masterclass, you have another masterclass happening, but then what happens to the children after that masterclass? No one is ready to give you work, no one is ready to take you under you. When I have my students, when I do my batches, I do singles and then I take them with me wherever I go. So you have that real exposure which no one is giving in the market right now.
Nowadays you see 50 kids, 50 girls, 50, I mean,
yes, masterclass चल रही है, बस चल रही है. उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है, masterclass के बाद कहाँ है वो बच्चे, उनसे तो पूछो. Literally I have inbox filled where people tell me कि मैम हमने यहाँ से कोर्स करा है, प्लीज अब आपके अंदर इंटर्न कर दो. मैं उनको सीधा बोलती हूँ that you need to come to me, you do my course and then I will take you as my intern because I know what I am giving to my students. No one in the market is doing that.
and you guys, I mean, the kids end up paying like 1.5, 1.2,
4, 5 lakhs.
Just
But they are claiming that also that we are
Yes.
yeah.
when
Yes.
no, they are claiming also. I've seen some of the videos that they are giving the vanity kit, the makeup products.
But then the charges are almost that. Like even if I'm charging 1.5 lakh, I know what I'm giving, what I'm doing, and my kids, when they cross 6 months, they are pro. They are pro at everything, from threading to sari draping to everything. I tell them you are one man army. Because this has happened with me. Actually, this has all come from my experience. Because मेरे time पे किसी ने intern नहीं दिया. We used to struggle, we used to do this and that, सब कुछ अपने आप करना. Last minute hair stylist भाग गया या drapist वाली नहीं आई. This happens all the time with us makeup artists कि hair dresser कहीं और चला गया है, वो टाइम से आ नहीं पाया है या फिर draping वाली नहीं आई है या कुछ. So that time I learned कि बॉबी one man army खुद ही बनना पड़ेगा ये emergency cases के लिए. So I know hair styling, I know draping, I know threading, I know everything. So whenever I have like international clients like Dubai या कहीं पे भी जाना होता है makeup के लिए, so client is not ready to give 2 tickets. The first thing they ask me, you know everything? मैंने कहा I know everything. And then they are happy and even I know what I want to do in life and everything is sorted. Both are happy.
Right. There are many people who say we
It's
don't
very
want to give it to
difficult
the
also if
staff.
you're going to some other country and looking for a hairstylist or
Yes,
someone
yes, yes.
that I can do the makeup,
Now I'm
and you start
understanding.
hunting for the hairstylist.
Yes.
Why people, the makeup artist, put up a story on the post. Need like a hairstylist, need a drapist.
Yes,
last
because
minute booking.
because ये जितने भी मास्टर क्लास के बच्चे आते हैं ना वो सिर्फ वहीं तक हैं. उनको ये नहीं पता कि प्रो लेवल क्या है, because maybe अभी obviously they'll start their journey as a makeup artist. They haven't started. They have just seen the limelight on Instagram. Oh, I'm going for a makeup, this and that, and I have this my staff with me. He'll do hair, he'll do makeup. But what happens when no one is there? And the commitment is a commitment. You can't really say no to a bride. Oh, I'm so sorry, मेरा hairdresser अभी तक नहीं आया. And I've seen all this with other makeup artists as well. That एक ही होटल के अंदर 2 शादियां हो रही है, एक हम मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं, एक वहाँ पे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है. दे कम टू अस कि मैम हेयर ड्रेसर नहीं आया, आपका प्लीज हेयर ड्रेसर, प्लीज गो अहेड, ले जाओ हेयर ड्रेसर को until unless तुम्हारा काम ठीक हो रहा है. This is how it should be, because there are many who are not very supportive, but I feel that support needs to be there. It's a very small community. We all need to support each other. But ये ज़्यादा है नहीं. Competition ज़्यादा है, and there are a lot of people who are ready to.
किसी को क्यों दें?
And it's not really that. It's not really that.
Yeah, right,
Yes,
say.
it's not at all that.
It
Trust
depends on
me.
person to person.
Yes, absolutely.
By the way, I would want to ask, I mean, it's there in my head for a very long time. Is
Yeah.
there any overhyped makeup product?
Absolutely. I think in every high-end brand, you will see one overhyped product for sure. Like if you talk about Charlotte Tilbury, I love Charlotte Tilbury, but It's serum, the magic serum, and the magic cream. Magic cream is still okay, but the magic serum is like too overhyped. I started using it, like it says that, you know, it will give you that natural glow. And no. There's a serum only. Magic serum by Charlotte Tilbury.
Darker
Yes.
one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that light pale color one.
Okay.
So that one is, I think, very, very overhyped. I think it is good for skin, for people who have like very normal and natural skin, like, you know, Karisma Kapoor type skin. Yeah, like Deepika
Born with
Padukone
good
type.
genes.
Yes, like Deepika Padukone type skin. उनके ऊपर आप वो serum लगा दो, वो glow देगा. But if you use that product on acne prone skin, on age skin, or any other skin, it was very nominal. It was not at all that कि oh my god वो flawless कर देगा. ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं.
Can you tell us some of the way to put the blush? Because बोलते हैं ना, जैसे अगर आप apple यहाँ पर लगाओगे,
Yeah.
then you will look more plumper. You'll put it this side, then your face will be lifted.
Yes. So actually, it's according to the face structure as well. So if you have like 6 different type of face structures, so you go ahead with that. But the most common one right now, which, you know, everyone is liking a lot, is the cheek one, which like slightly, which I am also wearing right now. But मेरे face के हिसाब से वो करना नहीं चाहिए. But I am like quickie, तो ये फटाफट करके ना, I like it. So if you have a broader and, you know, a fatter face like me, then you go ahead with your contour and blush on the sides. So you probably just do it here and don't let it come here near your apple of your cheek. So you just remain it here and blend it nicely upwards, not downwards, upwards. And you smile and very lightly you just brush it on apple of your cheeks. And the viral one is center apple of your cheeks, that you blush it nicely here, and some, you know, sometimes
On the nose also.
Yeah.
but that's like too much. वो कभी कभार बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. So whatever is left in your brush, you just put it lightly on your nose and on your chin, and yeah, that's good. That's how it should be. Not more than that.
So the highlighter can be applied on top of it.
Absolutely. Highlighter can be applied on top of it. Basically, makeup में there is no rule. लोग कहते हैं कि पहले कंसीलर लगाने के पहले फाउंडेशन लगाना है, पहले हाइलाइटर लगाना है कि पहले ब्लश लगाना है. So there are no rules. You can apply your concealer पहले and then your foundation, or foundation पहले and then your concealer. Apply your blush and then your highlighter. Just mix both of them and apply it in one go. That's also fine.
But then you have to try and test it many times to get the right look.
Yes.
For
If,
yourself.
so you gotta do all this. See, if you're a very regular makeup artist kind of a person,
Or
कि
rather,
आपके
we
घर
should
में-
come to you and learn our party look and our day look, and we are sorted.
Absolutely. I tell you, we do this kitty parties as well. I've done this kitty party makeup. Learn. Yes. So there was this lady. She wanted उनके घर पे था kitty party, and there were like 15 people, and she wanted a small self grooming class. So she's a very old client of me. She was like, "Bobby, can you do this?" मैंने कहा, "Yeah, it's fun. We can do that." Like, you know, it's like a small class. Everyone's chilling and sitting, and they're asking me their questions like how to do this, and they've So it's a cute kitty party kind of a concept that, you know, we'll learn quick tips कि हमको कैसे करना चाहिए and everything. So that we have done.
Because every girl, every woman wants to learn makeup.
Absolutely. Self-grooming, I tell you, in today's time, you know, everyone is on social media and everybody wants to look good. And I have this personal thing that every woman is beautiful. It's just that कि social media पे आने के बाद ना, we are more conscious, to be very honest. Okay, let's take this. We are very conscious in today's time. We were not the same if you talk about 10 years back. We were like, हाँ ठीक है, हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे फटाफट. But now everything is on camera. Everything is like on social media. जो यहाँ बैठे हो दुबई में देख रहे हो, जो दुबई में हो रहा है आप यहाँ देख रहे हो, right? So we want to look good, and we are doing, like, you know, as a woman, we are doing everything we can to, you know, look good, dress well, be a good mom, be a good entrepreneur, and everything. So yes, in today's time we have a lot of pressure on ourselves, like to look good and, you know, keep looking good, and
And it makes you more confident also. If you walk in a
Absolutely.
party और कोई भी बोल दे आपका makeup बहुत अच्छा है, you're looking
हाँ,
pretty,
yes.
you get so much
वो
you
पूरी
get
throughout party के अंदर बहुत
you're
ही
so
अच्छा
happy.
लगता है।
Yes.
yes, then you're glowing on next level
Yes.
only.
So true.
So we'll be calling you, contacting you for the our
Absolutely.
next kitty for the makeup
Available
class.
all the time.
Yeah.
By the way, I would like to bring one more thing to you, Riddhi. You know that she was a part of Rodi season as
Oh,
well.
you never
Yeah.
told
She
us.
didn't
So
share that
nice.
yet.
Yes.
So nice.
People do recognize me. I always like, people come across me. I've seen you somewhere and I keep it shut for some time. मैंने कहा ऐसा ना लगे ना कि brag कर रही है. कि,
No,
oh,
no,
yeah,
you
I was
should
in
brag.
Rodi's.
You
So,
should
no,
brag.
I'm like,
And
I
she
sit
was
there.
in top 5.
Oh wow.
Yes, we went to Australia. We were the top 5 once.
So nice.
Season
Yeah.
6.
It was quite a
Great,
thing.
great.
Yeah.
So how was your journey there? Then from roadie to a makeup artist.
Everyone's asked me this question. Trust me. सबको लगता है कि वो रोडीज की इमेज क्यों थे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट कहाँ से ज्वाइन हो गया. So yeah, I mean रोडीज टाइम I think I was like what 17, 18 maybe 18 something ही होंगी मैं. And that time to be very honest, I went to the auditions just like that. It just happened because I remember the forms used to come on MTV's site. So I filled the form because my mom always wanted me to come on TV कि नहीं तू ना मेरे को चाहिए कि एक बार ना मेरी बेटी को मुझे टीवी पे देखना है. So मैंने कहा चलो आपके लिए मैं जाती हूँ हो गया तो ठीक है वरना and when they say when everything is like destined अपने आप सब कुछ होता चला जाता है. Trust me मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
And you landed up in top 5.
Yes.
Just एक बारी TV
Yes.
से.
Yeah, and I did nothing. And my passport wasn't. If I tell you my story, you'll be amazed. I didn't have my passport. कुछ नहीं था कुछ उस टाइम पे क्या पता था कि ऐसे कुछ करना पड़ता है. Then I went for my auditions and form पे मैं select हो गई. Then रघु राजीव के सामने भी जो मेरे को था बड़ी stupidity. In fact उनसे मेरी वो जो fight भी हो गई थी थोड़ी सी उसके बाद भी I got selected. And the selection process, look, my dad was like very strict कि मेरे को 8 बजे के बाद घर के बाद was not allowed to go. तो जो मेरा audition ground था that was near my house, like 5 minutes near my house. And my brother was like कि मैं तेरे साथ जाऊंगा because auditions जो आप देखते हो वो होते 15 minutes के, but it took me 4 hours for that one audition. And I was sitting there till 5 o'clock next morning in that same hotel, and my brother was there with me. And then at 5 o'clock in the morning, list came out that ये सारे बच्चे selected है. And then from there, अच्छा फिर सिलेक्शन के बाद आया था, do you have passport, you know how to ride a bike, this and I was like इसमें तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता ना, मेरे पास पासपोर्ट है, मुझे बाइक राइड करनी नहीं आती. He was like अगर आपके पास पासपोर्ट नहीं है तो फिर आप नहीं जा सकते, we will give you 2 days time, आपको पासपोर्ट रेडी करना है. And 2 days में आप सोचो किसी का पासपोर्ट रेडी होता है. मेरा हुआ in 1 hour. मेरा 1 hour में पासपोर्ट रेडी हुआ. And like there, I don't know from where my angel came, and I called one of my friends कि मुझे ऐसे पासपोर्ट रेडी करना है. He had like good contacts. मैं करवाता हूँ तेरा बॉबी, तू 8 घंटे में हो जाएगा. मैंने कहा okay. I went there, उन्होंने तो वहीं पे खड़े खड़े मुझे पासपोर्ट दे दिया. Like go, and I was like फिर ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And then my dad, main point. I went back home and next day I have to fly to Bombay for the show and everything. वहाँ से हमारा जर्नी शुरू होना था and everything. So my dad came home, he was like ये क्या पैकिंग कर रहे हो. मैंने कहा पापा मेरा वो ऑडिशन हो गया सिलेक्ट, मेरे को जाना है वहाँ पे. नहीं आप नहीं जा रहे हो कहीं. And I was like, and उस टाइम पे देखो ना आज भी ऐसा ही होता है कि जब पापा बोल देते थे कुछ तो हिम्मत नहीं होती थी कुछ बोलने की. And I was like चुप, मैं मम्मी को देखूं, मम्मी मुझे देखे, मम्मी क्या बोलेगी, मम्मी साइड में चली गई. ना आई वाज लाइक मैं क्या करूं, कल सुबह मुझे जाना है, आई एम सिलेक्टेड. तो मैं रो रही हूँ इन माय रूम कि मेरे को पापा जाने नहीं दे रहे, ये वो. उसके बाद माय ब्रदर कम्स इन, क्या हो क्यों रो रही है, यू हैवंट पैक्ड. मैंने कहा पापा हमने मना कर दिया नहीं जाना. तो पापा के पास गया. देन ही टोल्ड माय फादर कि आपको पता है वो कौन सा शो है जिसमें वो सिलेक्ट हुई है, आफ्टर सो मेनी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ऑडिशंस वो सिलेक्ट हुई एंड एवरीथिंग. Then he told my dad and I was like अच्छा चलो ठीक है फिर चले जाओ. Because जो बच्ची को आज तक 8 o'clock के बाद घर से बाहर निकाला नहीं.
Very bold show.
Very bold show and very big show, and then no phones. हमसे फोन ले गए थे and we were told कि आप कांटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. And that for जब तक मैं am there, जब तक you are there on the show, because we don't know हम कब evict हो जाएंगे. And I was like going on, it was a complete 2-month cycle. 2 months के अंदर we had to complete the show and go out and everything. So I was throughout there. I was never evicted. No, not at all. And I tell you what happened that time. That time Taj attacked. Taj wala attack happened.
The Bombay.
And we were in Bombay that time. We were leaving next day for Australia, and Taj wala attack happened. We were not allowed to see newspapers. Yeah, we were not allowed to see newspapers. जिस होटल में हम रुकते थे वहाँ पे TV off होते थे, cable off होते थे, so that we cannot connect from the outer world. Yeah, it was like that, and camera was on us like for 24/7.
So it's actual. We think it's all scripted.
No, not roadies. I don't know about others, but roadies experience was something that I really cherished. Like throughout my life, I think I'm gonna cherish it because I've learned so much from there. And Raghu and Rajiv were like angels, to be honest. उनकी जो image है ना, बेचारों की image बहुत खराब है. Just because
But they're very cute.
they are very cute. They are so polite. They are so polite and very respectful, especially towards women. To all the girls there, अगर वहाँ पे हमको कोई task मास्क करना होता था ना, वो लोग स्पेशली बोलते थे कि ये लड़के को बोल देना, ये लड़कियों को कुछ मारे वारे ना, इनको कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. But you know, the way they come in front of the camera is like really.
I've always seen roadies, but one act which always was like कि मैं नहीं देख सकती was the one जिसने वो कीड़े ऊपर डाल देते.
Oh yeah. Look, कीड़े वाला didn't happen with us. Thankfully, it happened after our season started. Yeah. खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
अंदर डाल दो is all fine.
Yeah.
ठोक कर मार दो all fine, but वो जो वो गंदे बॉक्स में से मुंह डाल दो
I
या
know,
तुम
I know, I know.
कीड़े डाल दो.
मेरे टाइम तक तो नहीं हुआ, thank God.
That was something I was like, this is something which is unbearable. I
Yes,
wonder
absolutely.
how.
Yeah, when I watch खतरों के खिलाड़ी, मेरी मम्मी बोलती है, कभी अगर तेरे को ये करना होता था, मैंने कहा मम्मी प्लीज मुझे डिप्रेशन मत दो, मुझे सोचना भी नहीं है इस बारे में कि मेरे को करना होता तो.
But actually people are doing and they're enjoying doing all that.
Yeah, I'm sure. Obviously, when you're like on the show, you gotta do what you gotta do.
And you're mentally prepared when you're going there.
But
Even
it's
though,
all
Yes.
fine. How can you have something moving on your body?
no, then you're mentally prepared. You know that you're going for खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे आपको सोचना है खतरों के खिलाड़ी. No. You have to do it. You have to do it.
Well, when I see few people, I mean, be it females or males, when they cry before any act, then it's actual emotion की.
Yes, absolutely. वो burst out तो actually कभी भी होता है. वो you can't really control. I'm sure.
Coming generation, they're more fearless.
Yeah.
I think
Gen Z, if we talk about, fearless is a
more
small word
fearless
for
and
them,
they
I
want to
guess.
Try everything. Like my daughter is 3.5 and she loved lizards.
Oh.
Oh my god, when she says.
So you have a pet lizard at
No,
home?
I don't. She says I won't take iguana.
yesterday.
What?
Has a pet lizard over here.
Yeah. She
Oh my
wants
God.
iguana as a pet. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's why I asked her, do you have a pet?
No, that's not happening.
I'm
So she's like, Mama, it's so cute. I can
Because
see
she's
it."
3 right now. Let her grow. Let her come till 10 or something. Maybe she'll bring
I've
it
seen
home.
Many kids these days.
Yes,
that
they have.
want a Iguana.
Yes,
What's happening, what's going
yeah.
in this world?
I just sent her a reel yesterday.
Mm.
The mother is cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah.
She has a lizard over here. on top
Please
of
don't
the
send me.
Wow.
Please, I don't want to see. Then she keeps sending me the lizard makeup. No.
What a nightmare! What a nightmare!
There's this new roller these days. All AI, I probably have seen the apps which are doing that. There's an eye roller and it has like all lizards onto it. Or all.
So you have like a nice pasty on top. I'm sure हो सकता है available.
Yeah, so
No
I
big
sent her
deal.
that. Then one was with the owl face. The other one was with those honeybees.
This is still better than having a pet.
Yeah. And you can do such parties also and go with that.
Yeah,
That
just
is better.
tell her, beta, you take this stamp and I'll throw you a birthday party of lizard themed birthday party. She'll be happy, you'll be happy.
That's a nice idea.
Yeah, this is a great idea. She'll be so happy and you just
Iguanas and lizards.
yeah,
everywhere.
have iguana, lizards, balloons all over and give her those stamps so you can do
When
that.
you're sitting in a room and you see there's some lizard, you'll be actually like, "You're real heavy."
Yeah.
You get scared. Actually, she has made the cutouts, and there's some of the cutouts in our room. And one day I got literally scared.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Literally, I'll take you to
Take
my room
her.
and you can see.
Take her to a zoo where she finds another, cute animals.
No.
No?
The day you take her to the zoo,
Yeah.
if she finds any other,
Cute
creature
animal.
similar to that type of
Like crocodile?
or something.
I think
She'll
you
like-
are too much
she'll like-
deviating from the topic and get back to our makeup. I don't want to get into stress in this.
By the way, tell me one thing. How did you plan up that now this is only the final thing, the makeup, that I want to go forward with this only, and I'm not
Because-
going to switch my profession?
Because now I understood that I like it. Yeah, because abhi when I was pregnant, obviously I was on bed rest. So for throughout 1.5 years, I was like on bed and I was doing nothing. So I was just scrolling all makeup because I wanted to do it so bad, but I couldn't. So I was like, okay, more YouTube videos and more Instagram videos. So that time I understood that this is something I really like from within. This is not something that I just want to, this is not my bread and butter. This is more, beyond that for me.
So you like to play with colors?
Yes, I like doing makeup. I like enhancing. I like, as I told you, I like managing stuff and doing like if someone is getting ready, so I can probably how she will get styled, how the hair should be. I enjoy it. Yeah, actually.
Now this makes me have another question related to it. I would actually want to know that this is a very basic knowledge though, but still, if someone's wearing, say, a pastel shade,
Yeah.
they should go with what type of a lipper? As in with what color?
If we talk for today's
What goes with
trend.
what color?
Yeah. So if we talk about personal choice and today's trending style and morning and evening styling, so pastels definitely goes for your morning times, like a day wedding or something. So obviously nude and more of peach ombres,
Tell
gloss
some of the
will look
shades
nice
for
for
Indian
lips.
skin tone.
Yeah.
Some of the
Indian
lip
skin
tone.
tone. One shade from MAC, I think that is Teddy. The name of the shade is
Yes,
Teddy.
Teddy.
Yes, so that is a very beautiful color. Kind of sexy is a very beautiful color by MAC. And so these are all brown and nudes. And if you want to go into pastels, then pastels ke andar there's this one from Huda Beauty. That is also a beautiful pastel shade. I'm not able to recall the name. But yes, and Kiko. Kiko is also very good. Yes, Kiko Milano is what you call it? The liquid lipsticks.
Lipsticks.
Yeah, liquid lipsticks and the gloss are very nice. So you can go ahead with
two-in-one,
pastel
I
colors.
think, the one
yes,
which
the
has-
2-in-1 is also nice,
Yeah.
and only the gloss, which has little glitter, little color in it.
Yeah, yeah,
So those are also very nice.
What's your take on lip plumbers these days? When
lip
you put
plumbers,
there's a
are
nice-
very good. Yes, yes. Again, do a small patch test first, because it's kind of, it can leave a lot of acne on your lips sometimes. So yes, if you are very sensitive skin, then do a patch test.
But is there any difference between a lip oil and, say, nowadays they say that there's this lip oil jelly, there's this a liquid form of lip oil in the form of lip balms.
Yeah, so now brands have started introducing it as lipstick and lip oil together. So they have added lip oils to the lipstick, because we know that we like the glossy ones. We don't like too much chapped legs or too much of heavy those lines on our lips. So yeah, glossy lips are quite in. So mixing lip oil with lipstick is a very good idea. And we have a lot of brands who are doing the same. Bobbi Brown, Chanel, they all have it. They all have. Dior ka to sabse major jo hai lip oil is very famous. It's almost every time you go to the market, it's out of stock.
Yeah.
It's out
how
of stock
to
all the
take
time.
care about the laughing lines here when we do the makeup? Usually we get those lines.
Yes. So laughing lines, 80% you can't really do anything about it, to be very honest, because this is something, it's like your built-in. So when we smile and we have laugh lines, this is something that your face has.
But some people say that baking can take care of it.
Not for a very long time. Like if I talk about a bride, and one of my brides, she had laughing lines. So being a makeup artist, it is my duty to tell her, clear her notion that, see, after 2 or 3 hours, your makeup will melt into your skin and आपकी हल्की सी जो laughing lines हैं वो आएंगी. कोई उसको ठीक नहीं कर सकता. I'm a makeup artist. I'm not a surgeon. So that is very important to tell your client and tell her that I know what I'm doing. I just want to clear this कि ये 100% ठीक नहीं होता है. But yes, how you can manage it for 1 or 2 hours, that whenever you're done with your makeup and now you're closing your foundation with your compact or probably your loose powder, then just ask your client to put your tongue here and then dab little powder there, like press it nicely on that area on both the side. Yes, with your compact or loose powder, but with the puffy. Don't do it with the brush, it won't happen. Don't do it with your finger, it won't happen. So do it with your puffy, very nicely, gently, tightly into the skin, and that's it. And when she's leaving, or when probably you're leaving the house, then also
Again,
Yeah.
it's settled down.
yes, it settles down.
And in summers, do you think that we should use more of foundation or BB creams?
I think a combination of BB cream is very nice. I love BB creams in summers because it's so heavy. It's so sweaty all the time. Whenever you're out, obviously when you're in the malls and everything, tab to bahut acha. But when you're out in the market in today's time, everyone, again, everyone wants to look good. कि आप अगर Central Market भी जा रहे हो कुछ shopping करने के लिए तो हल्का सा blusher लगा के जाते हैं. So people who have under eye or something, they can use BB cream. It's very nice. And BB cream अगर आपको at a point अगर आपको लगता है कि this is not covering my under eye, then very lightly mix your foundation in there. Very little drop of foundation.
So you would say BB is better, CC is better, or tinted was
BB is better. Tinted is not really that good because tinted has a lot of this what you call it, shimmer.
Yeah.
Tinted means that it is going to give you that sheen. तो वो tinted के अंदर ना हल्का सा what you call it, shimmer होता है.
Can you
So
tell
वो
some of
shimmer-
the brands? for the BB cream.
BB cream, yeah. If you talk about Instagram
Or
grown
whatever is
brands,
better for the day.
I love BB cream. BB creams are really nice. If you talk about Instagram grown brands, then I've used TNWs. That is very good.
Oh, is
TNW,
it?
yes,
I was
yes.
wondering to buy one.
Yes,
Looking at the
TNWs, they
influencers.
just have two shades. They just have two shades, and I bought both the shades, one dark and one light. Again, darker one would go under my eye, and the lighter one would just go like very lightly on.
So
all
you
over my
don't need
face.
a concealer with the BB cream.
If you're stepping out in the morning and you don't want too much of coverage, then. But if you think that BB cream is suiting you more, and if you want to use BB cream at night, then yes, definitely you'll have to use little concealer on your spots or acne, and then put that on.
So TNW is the only one which was nice.
I've used TNW and I really liked it. It was very hydrating. And then apart from that, I think in today's time you have Maybelline, you have Lakme, you have BB creams everywhere. But then again, BB cream का shade आपका एकदम perfect होना चाहिए. As I said earlier, the shades are like one big problem. Because जैसे Lakme and others के अंदर BB cream आती है, some are like very peachy in color. Very वो ऐसे orangish type का उनका कुछ color होता है, because they're going on the fairer side, but in very, I don't know what shade. So डे टाइम पे स्लाइटली डार्कर शेड भी अगर आप लगाते हो ना, यू लुक फ्लॉलेस. डोंट गो फॉर वेरी ब्राइटर शेड्स इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम. प्रॉब्ली नाइट के टाइम पे ऑब्वियसली यू कैन मिक्स इट अप, बट डे टाइम गो स्लाइटली वार्मर, आई वुड से.
Okay.
I think buying the right product, knowing
having
your
the
right
knowledge.
shades is the most important
Yes,
thing.
it's very important.
We
It's very
can't blame
important.
the brands and the
And the
products.
salesperson who's selling you,
Yeah.
because they are just going
Yeah.
to give you one liner, हाँ जी मैम ये सूट करके आपको आप लगा लो.
So true.
एंड उसके बाद यू नीड टू ब्लेंड एंड सी कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं एक राउंड लगा के आती हूँ, तब तक मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि मेरा ये ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, कि दिस इज सूटिंग मी और नॉट. व्हेन द फाउंडेशन इज ब्लेंडिंग.
हाँ समझ आया.
हाँ दे दो.
We don't wait.
हाँ, so don't do that now, because आप जब मार्केट जाते हो, you are the one you're spending your hard-earned money, so just go and buy one product, but you know तसल्ली से अच्छे से give your
I
time.
think this
to
is a
that.
very good tip, that you go try the foundation,
Just, yeah, go
go
for a
and have a
round.
round in
Yeah.
the mall or wherever you
Next
want,
time
then
we're
you
gonna
buy
do
it.
this. Yes.
Yeah. And what your take on that liner thing? These days I've heard many people think that don't use a liner, it's a new look, only the shadows or maybe.
No liner, yeah. So no liner is probably the no makeup look. But then again, how you putting that liner? Because generally लोग क्या करते हैं, मोटा मोटा लाइन लगाते हैं, वो विंग भी चाहिए, हमको विंग लाइनर भी चाहिए. आजकल क्या हो रहा है, you can just use the wing and don't put the liner. That is also working with your lash. You put, and it looks beautiful.
Right.
So you know you're just using that wing and lots of mascara, like 2 cycles of mascara, and you're good to go. You don't need the full liner. And yes, only eyeshadow, only shimmer eyeshadows are quite in. So you just, you know, if you're in a hurry and you want to go out and you just want to look nice and glossy and prepped up, just do your foundation quickly. Use the same, you know, the highlighter, very little on your eyelids, very little on your cheeks, and very little on your lips, and just put a gloss on top. Beautiful it looks.
I'm getting so fascinated after listening all these things.
You try it tonight whenever you go. You try it tonight.
I'm actually wanting to get it done on like immediate basis.
Yes.
And everyone talks about how to put makeup, how to remove it. What are
Removing.
products and
Okay,
after
no, I
makeup.
actually
removing is a
understand.
task, I
Yeah.
tell you.
Few say directly splash water,
No,
wash,
no,
wash your
no.
face with the face wash and it's gone.
No way, no way, no way. Removing is the key. Removing is the key for a healthier skin. Yes, because जहाँ पे आपका रिमूवल ठीक से नहीं हुआ तो एक्ने आ जाएगा, आपको इरिटेशन होगी, आपकी स्किन पे पोर्स ओपन हो जाएंगे. So from here you need to, you know, it starts taking care of your skin starts from
I
here
feel
only.
the moment you get up,
Get
and the
up.
moment you sleep, there's a taking care of the skin.
Yes, but what happens generally, I tell you, so whenever you're stepping out, always keep your wipes with you, your makeup removal wipes with you. So if you're going out at night, you're coming, you know, you're coming late, 4-5 बजे सुबह आ रहे हो तो आधी हालत तो खराब होती है. So what I start doing is I start removing my makeup वहीं से. So you take off your lashes, you take off your lenses, and you just start wiping your makeup. 2-3 wipes से अच्छे से you remove your makeup. Then you come back home, you use your balms or maybe coconut oil. And remove very gentle massage on your face. Remove that. Then do your 2 face wash. I do like 2 thorough
कभी
face
सोना भी
wash.
चाहिए या
फिर उसके बाद आप
ये
सो जाओ.
सोती है इसलिए पूछ रही है, कभी सोने भी चाहिए नहीं.
फिर उसके बाद आप अपना सारा नाइट रिजीम करके सो जाओ.
अच्छा उसके बाद अभी नाइट रिजीम भी करो.
अगर हिम्मत है तो, वरना सिर्फ मेकअप रिमूव कर लो, ये बहुत है. उस यू नो एट दैट आवर उतना बहुत है, मेकअप रिमूव करके सो जाओ.
First remove your makeup and then go to bed.
Yes.
I can't sleep without removing, but the way she said the step.
No,
When
I do
it
that. I
is-
use my Clinic balm and I massage on my skin and
Very good.
with the wipes I clean it because
Very
I
So the first
That's very good. That's very decent.
good wipes brand as well.
yeah, because when I remove it with the cotton, it
See,
makes my skin very.
Now the person who is removing is
Removing.
not asking, but the person who does.
It is thinking that how will I remove it? A very good question. So what you can do generally, see, I have always used baby products for my skin at night.
Yeah.
So baby wipes are very good, very gentle. Now these days you have water baby wipes, who have, which has like
plant-based.
yes, the plant based. So I think there's Mother Sparsh. अभी तो recently मुझे बहुत baby brands पता है बहुत अच्छे से. So Mother Sparsh है, and then
Even
there's
mother care wipes are nice.
Mother Care.
Yeah, because my
Okay.
son comes and keeps telling me, आप सारे मेरे wipes खत्म कर देते हो. ये मेरे लिए.
I don't know whether I have
So there's one baby wipe also.
Yeah,
it's
the
an
baby
imported
wipe.
one.
Baby?
Baby
BB.
wipe.
BEB.
BABY.
Oh, okay.
Baby wipe.
Wipe
It's
it's written
really
together
nice.
without
okay.
any
Yeah.
space.
All right, all right.
She uses.
Yeah, you use that one now. I know.
Now I have stopped using it. I used to use for Arya. For
Okay.
my daughter.
Yeah. So you can use that. Keep one small pack in your bag or in your car. Probably you know कि हाँ यहाँ से कहीं नहीं जाएगा. तो जैसे ही गाड़ी में बैठे and start.
Yeah.
It's useful for husband also. In summers, yeah, they also sweat. You can use this. Tell him this is for you.
So he's gonna say there should be a mini brush, there should be mini lipstick, there should be mini wipes. Everything for you should.
But
not
I
be
think
there.
these days
That's cool, yeah. That's very cool. Of a husband saying all that. That's very good.
Right, I saw that.
these days grooms also they are
Yeah,
also
they also
doing
do
makeup.
Absolutely, we are doing groom's makeup. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is weird, and this is the skin, and they tend to put makeup.
Yes, yes, yes. We have started taking grooms booking. अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है पहले से. Earlier, I know we were just used to be like कि हल्का सा बस कर दो, बस हल्का सा कर दो. अब special bookings होती है हमारे साथ. Bride के साथ groom का भी होता है. Yeah, so grooms are also like very fascinated कि you know I'll put lenses. Some are like very nominal कि कुछ भी मत करना, एकदम no makeup लगे, बिल्कुल
To
नहीं
make
दिखना
the
चाहिए.
wedding day the day.
Yes, the day, you know, to feel special and everything, and I think it's quite good also.
Yeah, they,
Whatever
they
makes you
also
feel
have
good.
The right to
Feel special
Absolutely, absolutely.
and pampered.
Yeah, yeah,
True.
yeah.
So, is there any one of the biggest struggles you faced, like in this makeup industry, in your initial years?
In my initial years,
Like any incident or any?
see, struggle is like obviously when you don't get work, when you're new. That is your struggling period when you don't get work, and you know you have to work
As
at
you
like
mentioned,
whatever.
I think one of the angels came and everything was little easier. for you.
Yes, it was like during that time. So after roadies, when I started doing makeup and everything, the first thing what started happening with me was like कि अच्छा आप तो roadies में देखो तो बहुत नया नया था तब, and you know after that only I started, and then after roadies. I went back to my event management company, as I told you. पहले event management company करा, फिर वहाँ पे छोड़ा कि मैं नहीं कर सकती है कि अब मुझको इसके बाद you know I want to do something on my own. Then I started my makeup thing. So उस time पे बस यही होता था that you know I was too young and people were not taking me seriously. I remember when I did one of the brides, वो मेरे relation में ही थे. So you know they were like कि हाँ ये तो मतलब मेरी बुआ टाइप ऐसी कुछ था. तो उनके घर में वेडिंग थी तो ब्राइड का मेकअप आई वाज डूइंग. सो दे हैव नेवर सीन माय वर्क. कुछ देखा ही नहीं है इंस्टाग्राम में, कुछ होता ही नहीं था, कभी पूछा ही नहीं कैसा हाँ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आई है इससे करवाएंगे हम. सो आई वेंट देयर एंड bride was sitting there कि हम हमको रेडी करें and everything. So वो एकदम से आए and you know the bride was fully ready and all, and she was like ये तूने कर लिया मेकअप. मैंने कहा आई एम अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट आउट ऑफ. कहते नहीं हमने नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि इतना अच्छा कर लेगी, यू नो, बिकॉज वो उस टाइम पे पहली बात तो एक प्रोफेशनल, बहुत अच्छा हाइट प्रोफेशनल माना ही नहीं जाता था.
Beautician.
या ब्यूटिशियन,
Beautician.
या एक्चुअली बाहर से आवाजें आ रही होती ब्यूटिशियन आ गई है, आप आ जाओ ब्यूटिशियन आ गई है. they were like laughing यार ये कब ठीक होगा ये, this needs to be you know corrected. So yeah, so only getting work in your initial days I think one of the tasks. After that, when you're done, when you have your profile, people know you, then though I think it is easy and smooth, and you can
Now
you know,
I think it's
work on
much
your
more easier through social
Instagram
media,
and social media. Yes, that's what I'm saying. कि उस टाइम पे अगर सोशल मीडिया होता तो पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ क्या ही कर देते. लेकिन अब भी yes, we have that time, we have that scope, but now everything is like so crowded. I would say कि literally you know there are people जिन्होंने दिल्ली के अंदर अपने studios academies खोले थे. They have shut their studios and academy in Delhi and they've moved to places like Dehradun, मसूरी, चंडीगढ़, भोपाल, नेपाल, ऐसी जगह पे जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे पता है कि ज़्यादा कंपटीशन नहीं है, जहाँ पे you know they'll be able to earn, because in today's time this is, I'm telling you, this is a very very deep fact in today's time कि इतने मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं, सब आ रहे हैं, सबको अपना स्टूडियो खोलना है, सबने अपने ब्यूटी पार्लर खोलना है. Everyone.
Obviously 50-50 बच्चों को अगर आप सिखा रहे हो वो बच्चे कहाँ
वो
जाएंगे?
बच्चे कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
उनको भी तो कुछ
Exactly.
नहीं
ये एक क्वेश्चन है, नो वन इज आस्किंग, ये बच्चे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? एंड आई वुड से कि 50 अगर आपने स्टूडेंट्स निकाले उसमें से 10 आर लाइक फ्रीलांसिंग, 20 ने अपना सैलून, अपना स्टूडियो ओपन करा हुआ है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ देम जो बाहर से आए थे या कहीं से आए थे वो अपने घर से फ्रीलांसिंग कर रहे हैं. बट देन आस्क द पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी देयर इन द इंडस्ट्री फ्रॉम 10 to 15 years, जिन्होंने अपना स्टूडियो खोला है नहीं खोला है, दे ऑल आर रैपिंग.
Right.
एंड इट्स सो सैड जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं क्लासेस करने के लिए पेरेंट्स से 1 लाख 2 लाख रुपए लेकर
5 lakhs, 6 lakhs.
में
5-6 lakhs तक
और
जा रहा है
लास्ट
with
में आप कुछ
products.
अर्न ही नहीं कर पा रहे बिकॉज यू डोंट नो हाउ
yes, you
टू
don't
अर्न
know.
मनी.
And आधे से ज्यादा लोग तो people who have money, they'll be like कि हमने कोर्स किया था, it was fun. And you're done. You don't want to take it as your profession. But people, students who have come like बहुत ही एक उम्मीद के साथ that we have spent that money. Yes, and
The parents are having a thought that they
yes,
will
they
be
will do
learning for
something in their
career.
life. For them, it is a very big question. What after the course? No one is asking this. What is after your course?
So instead of giving the products, the makeup artists should actually
They
say,
should,
we will
yes.
get you placed here.
Yes, you should do all that. You should, put them in internship under you. अगर आपके पास 50 students भी हैं, 10 करके आप batch
I
ले
mean,
सकते
every
हो.
2-3 months I see
Yes.
there's a makeup class happening,
Yes,
there's a
yes,
master
yes,
class. I mean,
yes.
every 3 months.
ब्रशिंग, सी एग्जिस्टिंग मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, जैसे अगर मैं एग्जिस्टिंग मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ, मुझको अपनी स्किल्स और ब्रश अप करनी है, लेवल अप करना है, तो आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ मेकअप क्लास, अंडरस्टूड दैट आई एम ऑलरेडी इन दिस प्रोफेशन, आई एम डूइंग दिस.
I think they don't want to grow as a community.
Right.
Maybe
that's why
That's a harsh truth. That's a harsh truth. But yes, somewhere or the other, everybody's just that they just want to mince money. They just marketing
Feel
skills are
bad
more
in
there.
the end,
Yes,
every
same here.
profession holds
Same
this
here,
thing. No
yes.
one is wanting to grow as
To
a community.
actually, yes,
We
yes,
just
yes.
want individual growth.
Yes, yes, yes.
That
I
is
think
it.
let's do a quick rapid fire in
Yeah,
which we'll be
yeah.
asking you some of the
Absolutely.
questions.
Yeah.
So, okay. What is the most underrated and the overrated makeup product you would say?
Product, okay, by brand, you want to say?
Yeah.
So underrated, I think there are these drugstore ones which are actually good, like this Faces Canada. It's very good. I think I've got one here to show you that this is a strobe cream from Faces Canada, and it's really nice. And I think it is just for $5.99.
Oh.
Yes, and I think this can go for like good 2 to 3 months if you're using it for yourself and using it for your brides and for others, like as professional, it might stay for like good 2 months. And
Someone
it's,
told me MAC has a good strobe cream.
Mac has a good. There's so many brands now. It's not just Mac. If you talk about high-end products, high-end ke andar there's Dior, there's Chanel, there's Estee Lauder. There's so many. But it's just that we are talking about pocket friendly. We're talking about something that everybody can afford, and you can actually try this. It's good. It like gives you that nice glossy highlighting effect on your face. Yes, try it. So even if you're not wearing makeup, it feels like nice shine on your face with your BB creams. You can use it with your BB creams.
Okay, so this is like one of the
Underrated products that everybody can afford, but I don't think so people have tried because of the brand name, that it's not like a very high-end product, so you don't want to keep it in your kit or something. Then the overhyped ones are like Fenty Beauty. So Fenty Beauty's, I would say there are few blushes and there are few concealers of Fenty Beauty which are not like up to the mark, but they are like overhyped because it's Fendi, and
And we want to buy because it's Fendi.
yes, you want to buy because it's Fendi.
Fenty Beauty is going to contact us very soon.
Oh my god, but no, this is a very honest review, because being a makeup artist, my job is whatever is new in the market, go ahead, spend your money, try that, and then whatever suits you, keep it, whatever doesn't suit you, throw it. And then that knowledge we give to our students, to our clients, and then this is how it works. So yes, when we are out there, when we are spending our money, it is very important to give like honest reviews, because if I'm using something, like whenever I'm doing my makeup also, so my brides like you are asking me कि ये कैसा लगाना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए, tell me one good product. So all of we all are the same. All clients, they ask me the same question, which is the best concealer, which is the best foundation. So I have to be like genuine with all of them. I can't be like कि हाँ ठीक है वो ले लो because it's Dior. No, sometimes NARS or maybe Maybelline's Fit Me foundation is so good. Maybelline's Fit Me foundation is also very good. It's very underrated. That is one of the underrated another product. Maybelline's Fit Me foundation is good. And then I like NARS. So NARS comes like on the little higher side. Too Faced is a good foundation. That is also slightly on
I
the
think
higher side.
initially when we start doing makeup, big brands fascinate us.
Yes.
We buy those brands.
Yes.
But when they does not suit you, then we go to lower brands.
Yes, कि चलो जो regular basis, and in fact on regular basis, I think your foundation should be like very light. It shouldn't be very heavy or cakey. I think you should always mix your 1 drop of foundation with 1 drop of your serum or maybe your day cream and apply that. Make your own BB creams. Like, you know, this is how BB creams are made, with lots of lots of moisturizer and very little foundation. So you can do that to yourself when you're going out. You know, little breathable for your skin at least.
So one red flag in a client.
Oh my god. Red flag मैं कैसे बताऊँ red flag?
Something.
Not really red flag, but yeah, people who are like very judgy at times. You know, they're कहते हैं ना पांचों उंगलियां सेम नहीं होती पांचों तो you meet so many people, so everybody is not the same. Sometimes you get so nice and polite people, you know, they'll be like that, please come sit, have this and that and all that, and sometimes you get like अच्छा ठीक है फटाफट कर दो मुझे निकलना है, like, you know, sometimes people are rude to you. So yeah, I think that is the only thing. Apart from that, nothing else.
And one piece of advice you would like to give for the beginners?
For the beginners,
Yeah.
before going for a huge amounted class, try a smaller self-grooming class first, because sometimes, you know, you're just fascinated with you know, everything because of the hype. Oh wow, makeup artist, oh wow, it's quite hyped right now. So, you know, because of that peer pressure, you can say, or just because of you're following the hype, don't follow and don't fall in the trap. First, try a small course, a good self-grooming course. Do it on yourself if you're enjoying it. If you like doing the same thing on your mom, on your sister, on your friends, then go ahead with your, you know, big master classes. Otherwise, don't waste your money. Don't waste your money like that.
So biggest makeup myth, according to you, what's the biggest makeup myth?
Makeup myth. Makeup myth तो वो क्या है? कुछ याद भी दिलाओ मुझे. इतनी सारी होती है वैसे तो.
जैसे हमको गोरा बना.
ओ यार हाँ जैसे हमारी इंडियन स्किन टोन पे होता है कि हमको गोरा बनना है, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी वांट टू यूज फाउंडेशन. हालांकि अगर आप देखिए तो अगर आप अपने से फेरर फाउंडेशन नहीं भी लगाएंगे ना, तब भी अगर आप अपना स्किन टू स्किन भी फाउंडेशन लगाएंगे, तब भी यू विल लुक 1 shade fairer, because that tends to kind of seep into your skin and you are giving 1 layer of, you know, a product to your skin, तो वो उसके हल्का सा इफेक्ट आपको देता ही है फेयर का. आई एम नॉट सेइंग गो डीपर, बट जस्ट गो शेड टू शेड एंड यू विल बी फाइन.
बट समटाइम्स होता होगा ना, लोग बोलते होंगे नहीं नहीं बनाओ ही, मेरे को तो चाहिए.
हाँ, तो फिर जो क्लाइंट डिमांड करेगा हमको तो देना है. वी आर हियर टू डिलीवर, सो वी विल गिव व्हाटएवर आवर क्लाइंट डिमांड्स.
So you would say luxury brands or the budgeted brands for makeup?
I guess both. I would not say. Yeah, hand in hand. I love my Dior. I love my Hoola. I love my Maybelline Fit Me. Sometimes, you know, I use Maybelline, especially in summers. I use Maybelline Fit Me foundation for myself too. And the L'Oreal's Infallible Concealer, that is also very good. So I like both the things. But yes, sometimes what, you know, the bigger question, someone asked me a very important question. Like one of my friends, she's in Sweden. So वहाँ पे ना बड़ा ये होता है कि ingredients क्या हैं आपके products के. अगर cheaper है तो drug store में भी वहाँ पे बहुत ध्यान रखा जाता है, और जो high end है वो तो चलो all over the world high end है ही. So the main area which no one is talking about and no one actually knows about is that how dangerous is this makeup game. No one knows this. क्योंकि कोई बात ही नहीं करता है कि मैं भी मेकअप लगाती हूँ on every single day. Why they say removing your makeup is very important. Now you will remove makeup after listening to this. Why? Step by step. Why removing makeup is very important. Why they push it so much कि makeup लगा के कभी मत सोना, क्योंकि वो आपके पोर्स में डीप चला जाएगा. बिकॉज जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, लाइक इफ यू जस्ट गिव यू वन स्मॉल एग्जांपल, putting foundation daily basis can be cancerous. So yes, if you Google it also, you'll find this. So yes, because there is this product हाँ जो आजकल अब काफ़ी brands कम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, which is talc. अगर आप अपने इंग्रेडिएंट्स चेक करो कभी, तो जिसके अंदर टैल्क होता है, तो टैल्क के साथ एक कंबाइंड कॉम्पोजिशन डाला जाता है विच इज asbestos. Yes, I was wrong. Asbestos. So इससे एक बीमारी होती है which is asbestosis, which is directly linked to your lungs. Read about it. Yes. Read about it.
Makeup on your face.
Yes. So when there is no talc, because talc and asbestos is combined, that's how you get that, that combination, that powder thing. So this asbestos is found in when you're building buildings and construction. तो उसके अंदर I think चूना होता है या क्या होता है, I really don't know. I may be wrong, but then when I read about it, तो उसके अंदर यही था कि जब कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स होती हैं और इन सब साइट्स के अंदर आपको वो प्रोडक्ट मिलता है, तो वो प्रोडक्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन वो टैल्क के अंदर हमको कंबाइन करना ही करना है टू फॉर्म दैट प्रोडक्ट. सो आजकल आफ्टर ऑल द रिसर्च एंड एवरीथिंग, अब दिस एवरीथिंग इज ऑन गूगल. सो ये पहले इतना ज्यादा होता था, अब तो फिर भी टैल्क कम हो गया है और ये प्रोडक्ट और ये कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत कम यूज करने लगे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग ओनली. बिकॉज अगर आप इसका कंजम्पशन ज्यादा करते हो, आपकी स्किन इसको ज्यादा कंज्यूम कर रही है, सो यू विल एंड अप देयर.
Whether you spend 500 or you spend 5,000.
Yes. So again, whenever you're going out to buy your makeup, see what you're buying. Ingredients are very important. India में अभी इतना चाल चलन नहीं है कि product ingredient क्या है, but people outside, yes.
Expiry date नहीं देखते.
Exactly. People don't see the expiry date, तो वो ingredients पे भी इतना नहीं focus गया. So that's why I try my level best that whenever I'm wearing makeup, I mix a lot of moisturizer with it कि मैं जितना कम से कम लगाऊं इसको, क्योंकि मैं अकेले दुनिया नहीं बदल सकती. So but the thing is that I have this much information, so I try to work around it, and like everybody else should also do the same. कि ठीक है, you can apply makeup, but then again be very cautious of what you're applying. Again, coming to luxury brands and the budgeted ones, both you need to read the ingredients, because जरूरी नहीं है कि एक लग्जरी ब्रांड में नहीं होगा तो सिर्फ एक जो ड्रग स्टोर है उसी के अंदर होगा. इट
माइंडसेट यही होता है ना कि सस्ता है तो अच्छा नहीं होगा और महंगा है तो अच्छा.
yes, this mindset is absolutely not working these days, I guess, because drug store की आप YouTube पे वीडियोस देखो कितनी है, like 500 का ये फाउंडेशन है, 200 का भी है. Ingredients are very important. Yes, ingredients are very important.
Tell me one thing. They say if like the blusher, which is the powder based,
Yeah.
or even your eyeshadow,
Yeah.
which is the powder based,
Yeah,
whether it has crossed the expiry date,
yeah.
you
Never
can
use
use it after 1 or 2 years also.
No, never. Why would you? Why you want to take chances like that?
No, I'm saying these days shops as well, which are not like, the bigger brands. Like if I have to say I'm not standing at Sephora, if I'm not standing at Tira, or if I'm not standing
You're standing at a general store which is
Yes,
selling makeup.
yes.
Yes. So how can they sell expiry products? They can't.
They say 0.1%.
Yeah.
If your expiry is gone for
Yeah.
a powder thing, then
Okay.
it's fine. You can use an eyeshadow because it's not cream based. It's not like
No,
something
no.
which is water soluble or something like that, and you can apply it.
No product. Why it has an expiry date on it?
That's
That's the question. That's the question. Then why it has an expiry date on it? Because there is some ingredient. The product is made out of such combinations that it won't pass through that given time. So why would you do that to your skin? Because whatever you're putting, your skin is absorbing into your body. Okay. Your body is your temple. Why would you do anything wrong with it? Yeah. Why would you?
मे बी लोग जाते होंगे कि सस्ते में मिल जाएगा
Yeah.
और इसीलिए
I completely understand. I understand कि चलो ठीक है, हमको चाहिए कभी कि हाँ ये सस्ते में मिल रहा है, हम ले लेते हैं. तो whenever you're buying सेल का सामान या कुछ भी होता है कि 70% ऑफ लगा है, कुछ भी ऑफ लगा है, always check the expiry date कि आगे और कितना चलने वाला है.
जैसे भी आपने बोला कि some of the products जिसमें ये टैल्क है कैंसरस हो सकता है, they are not only aware. अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है,
Awareness ही
तो
नहीं है.
इसीलिए एक्सपायर्ड भी यूज करो, कुछ भी यूज करो.
Yes. So there are so many Instagram brands coming up. So many. Like आज खत्म होगा, कल एक दोबारा नया लॉन्च हो जाता है. So उनका भी जो प्रोडक्ट है काफी, उसके अंदर रिव्यूज भी आते हैं कि कुछ हमने ट्राई करा, हमको तो एक्ने हो गया, हमको ये हो गया, हमको वो हो गया. Because I understand that the market is all over social media. We understand that sometimes there are really good brands that we really trust, and then from there that trust builds up, and then we go to another brand and we buy the another product. But the problem is that we don't see what we are buying. We just see कि अच्छा ठीक है, सेल लग गई है, ये 1000 रुपीज में ना ये 3 सेट मिल रहे हैं, ले लो और ले लो हो जाता है.
So true.
But then yes, because see, I know, free. I know what's happening. But my friends who are like non-influencer friends I have, so वो हमेशा मुझसे आके पूछती हैं, सच्ची बोल रही है ना तू, ये सच में अच्छा है ना? Because मैंने ना उस इन्फ्लुएंसर का देख के मैंने लिया था, मेरे तो एक्ने हो गए थे. मैंने उसका फलाने का देख के ये लिया था, मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लगा. It was not worth it what she was saying on the gram. So I was like, प्लीज लिसन टू मी, मुझे पता है क्योंकि मेरे को गालियां नहीं खानी लोगों से बाद में कि आपने बताया था ये मेरे को खराब हो गया. ऑब्वियसली 1% किसी के साथ भी एक्ने हो सकता है. जरूरी नहीं कि अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरी स्किन को समथिंग इज रियली नाइस एंड ब्रीदेबल, वो आपको भी सूट करेगा. 1% वी गिव दैट बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट, बट देन everything is good. Everything is good. Just buy,
But
just
in
go buy.
general, like if you would have to say like a general person, layman person who doesn't know anything about makeup, so you would say, if I have to say step by step, which is a good primer, basic. I'm not talking about the high-end ones.
Okay. So if we talk about that, this one, the pack one I showed, this one is really good. You
For
can
normal skin as well?
Yes, absolutely, all skin type, because it is a oil separation formula. So when you wear it, I mean, when you seriously just wear it on one side, or when you're buying it, just wear it on one side, you will see the difference instantly. Yes, it will blur down all your pores, all your skin. It will give you a nice lifted kind of a look. So this is good. And Smashbox is really nice. Smashbox में भी एक spray form आता है और एक ऐसा gel silicone form आता है. Both are nice.
And what about the makeup sprays?
Makeup sprays,
fixers,
yeah, fixers. So in fixers also, I love Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury like really melts up all your makeup. And then we have MAC Fixer. MAC Fixer is not just a fixer, because people take it as कि मेकअप हो गया, मैं एंड में उसको लगा मेकअप फिक्स हो जाएगा. वो एक्चुअली फिक्सर नहीं है, वो एक सिर्फ आपकी स्किन को ना एक नाइस ड्यूई ग्लो देने के लिए. इट्स नॉट अ फिक्सर. वी हैव मेनी मच बेटर फिक्सर्स देन मैक फिक्सर. मैक्स फिक्स इट.
Yeah.
So Charlotte Tilbury is very good. Huda Beauty is very good. Urban Decay is very, very good. So these are like the one which you can trust.
And the good eyeshadow palettes?
Good eyeshadow palettes. Urban Decay, very nice. Pigments are to die for. Pack Cosmetics, if you go to a Pack showroom, you will never come empty handed out. You will definitely buy one of those eyeshadows, glittery shimmery eyeshadows they have. And then this brand also, this brand Moira, people don't know much about it, but this has, I think, recently launched. I think ho gaye 8-9 months. Very good brand. Very, very amazing pigments. Very good brand.
For eyeshadow.
For eyeshadows, yes, for their highlighter is also good, but so far I've used their cream eyeshadows.
It's on Nykaa.
I don't know if it's on Nykaa or not. I bought it from one of the stores, like वो होता है ना, like GK में वो है जो, yeah, so I bought it from there, but it's really
the
nice.
closer one, which is to Damini.
Yes, that one. Yes, so that one is really good. And plus, when this was launched, so we attended the launch. So वहाँ से भी मुझे इनका बहुत pretty eyeshadow मिला था. MOIRA.
They have the shampoos and
Yes.
It's really nice.
Shampoo haven't tried. I've tried the eyeshadows, and believe you me, the cream eyeshadows, the bomb eyeshadows, very nice.
So today, shopping time.
Right after we go shopping.
No, it is, I mean, in order, if I have to just sum it up at
Yeah,
the
it
end,
was very
it's
informative. Very informative.
And a
My
fun
pleasure, my
session, I
pleasure.
would rather
Oh,
say.
thank you so much. I wanted a nice fun session here.
So it was really nice to have you on our show.
Same here, my pleasure. Same here.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for coming.
Welcome.